I have no idea how I'm going to justify this video. So this title is not clickbait, and I did make an undetectable auto clicker, and in its most basic form it only took 3 lines of code. It's very simple. Import mouse while true, click left mouse button. All that means is while the program is running, it clicks the left mouse button. If we run this now, it looks something like this. So already we're cranking 90s, best cookie clicker player on the planet.
It's not closing.
But it will also crash your computer if you don't have anything equal to or above an Intel 12th generation processor. That's not true, but it will crash whatever application you're currently using it for. So already we need some adjustments to make this work properly. So I lied about the 3 lines of code thing. It takes 7. Import hotkeys, import time. If you're pressing Ctrl and Z, then it clicks the left mouse button, then it waits for 100th of a second. So now instead of clicking 2,000 times per second, it clicks 100 times per second if you're pressing Ctrl and Z. This number can be modified to whatever you want, but for now, this will work. I guess the only thing to do now is to test it in a game. For now, I think Minecraft Bedrock Skywars is probably the best way we can test this out. It'll give a good example for actual gameplay. Also, don't cheat in online games.
Alright, let's cheat in an online game. I got our script up right here. It's working. It's clicking about 15 times per second. Alright, let's test this out. Just make sure it works. Yeah, we're good. Alright, I'm not set up very well. I hope this little program we made can save me. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. Hey, it worked. Sweet.
Well, how about that? That worked perfectly, which is weird, because usually things I make don't work pretty well. Though I will say you still have to be at least decent in the game that you're using this in for it to work well, but, you know, I think most people are at least average in most video games. Anyway, here's the final code. Don't cheat in online games or you'll be... Follow me on Twitch and I'll see you next time.